how to make mayonnaise at home. So let's get started. Add 1 egg. And then add a garlic and add a pinch of salt and then blend it. After blending and open it, you can see the consistency. And now add some oil and then again blend it. After blending this, see the consistency, it has become thick a little. And now add some more little bit of oil and again blend it. And now open it and let us check the consistency. It has got it thick. You can see. We need a consistency like this. And now add some oregano, 1 tablespoon, and add some pepper. And add some more little bit of oil into it and then blend it again. And now off it and let's see the consistency. And in the last look it looks like this. And now let's see the consistency. It need to be still more some creamy. And now let's blend again and blend it. And now off this. Ayan, good. And now let's see the consistency. And we are stopping in this consistency. If you want, you can make it some more fluffy. And finally, now let's pour the mayo in the container or in a bowl. And you can see the consistency of this. How beautiful is this? And let's keep this in a refrigerator for 10 minutes. Refrigerator.